Hello friends. After the sorting, grading and sizing from the post harvest management, now the next is the curing. Here curing, when roots and tubers are to be stored for a long period, a curing is necessary to extend the shelf life. Here, curing is effective operation to reduce the water loss during storage from hardy vegetables like onion, garlic, sweet potato, and the other root vegetables. It is an effective operation to reduce the water loss during storage. They are relatively susceptible to mechanical wounding during harvesting and handling. These problems can be minimized by the process of curing at intermediate to high temperature and high relative humidity. During the process of curing, it develops periderm over cut. जिथं कट झालेला असतो, जिथं डॅमेज झालेलं असतं, त्या ठिकाणी पेरिडर्म हे तयार केलं जातं क्युरिंग प्रोसेसमध्ये. ब्रोकन ऑर स्किन्ड सरफेसेस अँड हेल्प्स इन ओन्ड रिस्टोरेशन. Curing is accomplished by holding the produce at a high temperature and relative humidity for several days while harvesting wounds, hills, and new protective layers of the cell forms around the wound. What is the advantages of curing? It helps in wound healing of harvest and handling injuries through skin hardening. It reduces the water losses, then prevent the infection from the pathogen. Hence, the curing is important part of the post-harvest technology as well as the management. Waxing is the another process. It is used in different organisms. A protective edible coat on fruit and vegetable which protect them from the transpiration losses and reduce the rate of respiration is called waxing. Waxing is specially important if a tiny injuries and scratches on the surface of the fruit or vegetable are present, and these can be sealed by the wax. Here, which type of waxes are used to waxing purpose? Here, waxes are esters of higher fatty acid with monohydric alcohols and the hydrocarbons and some free fatty acids. Waxing generally reduces the respiration and transpiration rates, but other chemicals such as fungicides, growth regulators, preservative can also be incorporated, especially for reducing the microbial spoilage, sprout inhibition, etc. However, it should be remembered that waxing does not improve the quality of any inferior horticultural product, but it can be beneficial in addition to good handling. This is important. In a market, a famous fruit, that is the apple, it shows a shining on it. This shining is overcome by the use of simple wax. This wax is covered to the apple fruit, and then this covered portion is polished by a cotton cloth, and it creates the shining. But this is harmful to the body, human body, after the consumption. However, it should be remembered that the waxing does not improve the quality. A protective edible coat on fruit and vegetable which protect them from transpiration losses and reduce the rate of respiration is called as the waxing. A skin coating or protective coating, it is defined as the artificial application of a very thin film of wax or the oil over other material to the surface of the fruits or vegetables as an addition or replacement for the natural wax coating. Advantages of wax applications: it improved appearance, color, or it shows the shiny part, shiny skin, reduce the moisture losses and retards wilting and shriveling during the storage. This type of characteristic feature can't give the more profit, and hence during the storing processes it also provides the characters or advantages that reduces the moisture losses and retards the wilting. त्याच्यावर ज्या सुरकत्या असतात किंवा श्रिवलिंग सुरकत्या पडलेल्या असतात त्याच्यापासून त्याला वाचवण्याचं काम करतो. देन रिड्यूस दी वेट लॉस, त्यातला जो लॉस आहे वेट लॉस, तो वेट लॉस कमी करतं. का? इट अपोज दी रेट ऑफ ट्रान्सपिरेशन. देन प्रिव्हेंट्स दी चिलिंग इंजुरी अँड ब्राउनिंग. ही चिलिंग इंजुरी जी आहे याच्यापासून त्याला प्रिव्हेंट केलं जातं. देन प्रोटेक्ट्स दी प्रोड्यूस फ्रॉम दी ब्रशिंग, reducing respiration rate by creating the diffusion barriers between the fruit and surrounding, as a result of which it reduces the availability of O2 to the tissues. Then protect the fruits from microbiological infections. Considered a cost-effective substitute in the reduction of spoilage when refrigerated storage is unaffordable. These are known as the carrier agent. A carrier agent used as the carrier for sprout inhibitors, growth regulators, and preservatives that are helps in increase in the shelf life. Shelf life means in the market or after the harvesting, how many days they are survive. This is known as the shelf life, and this shelf life is increased by the using of these waxing with the help of agents. Then mango fruits recreates or treated with the wax emulsions containing 8 to 12% solids have 1 or 2 weeks longer storage life than the untreated ones. That means how many days the mango fruits are overlong or increase the life by the use of waxing. That is 8 to 12% solids have 1 or 2 weeks longer storage or the lifespan. There is also disadvantages of waxing, how it is harmful or uh, how it decreases the lifespan of the plant or fruits and the vegetables. The development of flavor, if not applied properly, adverse flavor changes have been attributed to inhibition of O2 and CO2 exchange, thus resulting in anaerobic respiration and elevated ethanol and acetaldehyde contents, specification of a desirable wax. This is the disadvantage. The selected material should provide a lasting shine, and that is not beneficial. Must be manufactured from good trade material. It should not develop any off flavor and resistant to choking. This can be determined by cooling waxed fruit to 0 degrees Celsius and allowing moisture to condense on fruit on removal from the cold room. It should reduce the weight loss of commodity by 30% to 50%. This rapid drying, competitive price and easy clean up, these are the disadvantages. The next process is the packaging. Packing of the material, goods, fruits or vegetables. The main function of packaging of fruits, vegetables and flowers is to assemble the produce into convenient units for better handling and to protect them. This is known as the packing or packaging. A good package should aim at protection of the produce from physical, physiological and pathological deterioration throughout storage, transport and the marketing. In a very simple language, where the fruits and vegetables to be protected at particular level. In recent times, the packaging is becoming an essential part of supply chain of the horticultural crops because of the consumer. Packaging is becoming an essential part of supply chain of horticultural crops because of the consumer's choice for convenience, appeal, information and the branding. Here various types of packings are used. Tightly filled packs are desirable for most produce, but without underfilling and the overfilling to avoid vibrations injury. The package, not the produce, should bear the staking load. Some produce, such as potatoes, carrot, and the orange, will withstand a reasonable compressive load. For non-rigid packages such as mesh, जाळी ज्याला म्हणतो आपण त्याला, किंवा जाळीसारख्या बॅग असतात, मेश बॅग्स are satisfactorily provided they are handled with care. The bundles, some vegetables like the drumsticks, ज्याला शेवगा म्हणतो आपण, लेमन ग्रास or लेमन ग्रास स्टेम, ओनियन टॉप्स, कांद्याची जो वरचा पार्ट असतो पात म्हणतो आपण त्याला, लिव्ज, ओनियन टॉप्स, अँड अस्परॅगस, शतावरी, अँड कट फ्लावर्स लाईक दी रोजेस, ग्लॅडिओलस, कार्नेशन, अँड आयरिश, एटसेट्रा. देन व्हॉल्यूम ऑर बॉक्स पॅकिंग, आपल्याकडे ज्या बॉक्स पॅकिंग केल्या जातात ॲपलसाठी, ऑरेंजसाठी, टोमॅटोजसाठी, this type of boxes or box are used, that is the box packing. The fruits are poured into the carton. After filling, pack is vibrated to tight packing within the box. For example, apple, orange, tomato on a standard weight. Then sometimes the package insert molded pulp or the plastic trays to isolate the individual fruits. There are costly but are used in the delicate and the costly fruits such as mango and ready for retail displayed. Some vegetables which are explained here that are used in the bags, bundles, packaging like the apple, orange, tomatoes, and here costly fruits that are packed here. Here bundles, some vegetable drumsticks that are already explained. Now the wrapping, covering individual fruits with a paper or various films like papaya or groutes, which are wrapped in a paper. Then bags like gunny bags, Asian bags in crops such as potato, onion, garlic, carrot. The bags which are used to store the sugar, that is known as the gunny bags, that bags are used here. Some of the Asian bags nowadays present in market that are used for potato, onion and the garlic. Here punnet packing, a soft fruit such as the strawberry, grapes, minimally processed products that are stored inside the packing. Thank you.